Today we're going to look at an American share in a company called Hartford Financial Services Group, listed on the New York Stock Exchange, ticker code HIG. The current price is $64.61. This is one of my favourite types of company. It's an insurance company, financial, and it provides insurance and financial services to individual and business customers in the USA, UK, and internationally. Analysts, I think it's 5 say buy, 4 say hold, and 0 say sell. The forecasted upside price of the share or stock is 25.1%. The dividend yield is 2.4%. The percentage held by institutions, now this is quite an important or interesting fact, is 93%. And it says high institutional ownership can be a sign of trust in the company. So 93% of the company's stock is held by funds. 52-week range, this is the highest and lowest price over a 52-week period. It's 61.59 lowest, 78.17 highest. So at 64.61 you can see it's sitting near the lower end of the scale. Price to earnings ratio is 10.55. The market average is 135.57 for finance. And in the financial sector, the average is 197.38. So it's got a very, very good price to earnings ratio of 10.55. The price to book ratio, PB ratio, is 1.49. Anything below 3 indicates that a company is reasonably valued with respect to its assets and liabilities. So far there's been a number of good indicators that this is a stock well worth investing in. So I'm using my Trading 212 platform, and earlier on today I've actually bought some shares. I've invested 499.41, and that equates to 9.339573 shares. So far since the market's opened, they're closed now, I'm up 0.16%, but you don't follow shares that closely. So what I'm going to do to protect my investment, potentially stop me losing too much money, is setting up a sell instruction. So I go to sell, and we go to a stop limit. This is only dealing round number of shares, so the odd fraction of a share I would have to carry out the transaction manually, but this will protect the bulk of my holding. And so we're going to go for a stop limit, and here we set the stop price. Now this is where you set a price below the current price that converts your order to a limit order. So if the value of the stock drops, what you've got to do is not worry or keep watching the shares price. It will be sold automatically. So I'm going for a stop price of less 10%. So if the current price of the stock falls below 10%, that is down to 49.15, it'll automatically be sold. So that protects my investment. The maximum I can lose is 10% of what I invested. So we put the stop price in at 49.15. 40, this is the price per share, right? Then we go to the limit price. This is the minimum price you are willing to get per share. So the predicted upside on this stock is plus 25%, but I will settle for a 15% profit. But as I say, I haven't got to sit there, keep watching the progress of the share value. It'll automatically be sold once I hit the 15% increase, and that equates to a price per share of $74.31. So we put that price in, $74.31. So this is a then there's one more important thing we do, expiration. This is when the instruction ceases to be an instruction. That can be at the end of the day, end of the trading day, or GTC. And GTC means good till cancelled. So this instruction will remain indefinitely until the shares reach the desired selling price, or if they do happen to unfortunately fall below 10%, they'll be sold. But I can override that instruction at any time. So review my order. It's a stop limit sell, and stop price is £49.15. That's when the total value of the shares reach £553. So that would see me with a £50 profit, or a as a stop limit sell. Yeah, so we will now send a sell order. That's an order to sell the stock if the value of the shares reach 74.31, or if they fall down to 49.15. It's a pending order because the stock exchange is closed at the moment. The market's closed. That'll open in another 16 hours 44 minutes. So you can see that we've invested in Hartford Financial Services Group. You can see how I made the decision after doing my research, and how I protected my investment by setting up a stop price, stop limit order to protect my holding. I hope you found this informative and interesting. Any questions or comments, more than welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, I bid you a really, really successful investing adventure. Thank you.